Leoch motorcycle battery. There have been many changes during the last century in the motorcycle battery industry. As a manufacturer, Leoch Battery is committed to continued research and development in the motorcycle battery industry. Our cycle batteries perform 50 to 100% higher than the industry standards on high-rate cranking, cycle life, and quick charge capabilities. This ensures the battery will crank in any environment. Leoch International uses advanced techniques of COS welding and TTP welding. All the production is operated in strict accordance with the International Management System standard of ISO TS 16949 in automobile industries. The annual gross production volume exceeds 20 million pieces, and Leoch possesses the top punching machine and manufacturing technology in the world, which produces motorcycle batteries with extremely high performance. Leoch International products are sold to more than 60 countries and regions all over the world. Leoch International is the first choice of leading motorcycle manufacturers and distributor for its outstanding products performance and complete product specifications. Our product's defective rate is lower than 50 ppm. The main types of Leoch motorcycle batteries are dry-charged, factory-activated MF series, and high-performance MX series. Dry-charged, factory-activated MF series. Adopt TTP welding technique, outstanding starting performance. Inserted terminal and dual sealing design, excellent anti-vibration performance, safe and reliable. The capacity can achieve 95% after filling acid and short-time charging. High-performance MX series. Contains pure lead radial grid structure, firm paste adhesion, and long service life. Provides greater CCA output. CCA performance is 20% higher than General Series. Special starting paste formula design. The capacity is 10% higher than General Series. Copper terminals with excellent electrical conductivity. Leoch battery, starting easily.